Hi there guys, my name's Mark Gossage, bestbonusking.com. Welcome to my eCover Mockups Pack Review. All about ebook templates for the covers and things like that to make them look really good. There are some boxes in there. There are different types of books, magazines, ring binders and things like that. Now, I'll be showing you through explaining how simple it is once you've got eCover Mockups Pack to make your ebook covers, and you can make them look real, okay? 3D, everything's there. You just need the image for your book cover or your books and you're good to go. Now, before I go through everything, let's go straight on over to the eCover Mockups Pack bonus page, the best bonus page for eCover Mockups, and I'll be showing you right now just why that is. So it's really going to help you with your eCover Mockups Pack to get the best out of it for yourself and especially for your clients, okay? Now, all you need to do, first link, right below the video, if you're on YouTube, click on that link and you're going to come straight on over to the best eCover Mockups Pack bonus page on the planet, and it says here create amazing looking 3D product covers in minutes. Okay, if you've got the images, it's just click it's just super, really simple. And as it says, you won't need no design experience and you won't need Photoshop or anything like that. This is the complete the complete set, the complete product. All you do is you get your image, you put it in, and it does it for you on autopilot, okay? You pick from the templates like it's showing you here, and you can just put your images in, and all that, I'll have your super images on it. It'll look super professional, and it's what you need. If you're selling products, you've got to have good covers. You've got to have good e-covers, otherwise it just lets your product down. So that's what you need. And also, if your clients are selling these information products, they need e-covers as well, and that's where you come in. You can make a lot of money by doing it for them. It shows you here how easy it is. It looks like this here on the left, the actual tool, and what you do is you just put your image in there. Once you've clicked on it, it is training, it'll show you. It's so super simple, it's unbelievable. And you put your design on like that oblong there, okay, just here, and then when you click it, it'll just change it, if you've chosen that template, into that book. It'll reshape the cover image like that, add the pages, add the shadow, add everything there, okay? Absolutely super simple, but still super fantastic. All there. It tells you the benefits here, PLR license on it and everything, so you can resell it. There's a commercial license. There's two funnels on this, so I will be explaining it in deeper detail to make sure you fully understand what you're getting here. Now, my bonuses. First bonus, how to make money as a freelancer, okay? If you're selling your ebook covers, what better? You want a platform where you can sell them to, and this is going to show you how to set up as a freelancer and start making money from your new business. Then the next tutorial, how to do it on Fiverr, how to get your gig right, how to set up your gig for maximum profits. You'll be able to sell your ebook covers on there as well. And if you go over to Fiverr, you'll find there are already sellers on there. Have a look at the prices they're charging, and they haven't got this software, okay? You can do it super simple, super fast. You can even ask the clients, hey, I need the images off you. I need an image. You'll know all the sizes beforehand. I need this image, that image, for this, for that, for that. They can supply you the images. Click, done, send it back. Or charge them 10 times more and you create the images. You get the images, you edit them, you put them on there, you create the ebook covers, you send them out. That means you're going to get paid a lot more, okay? It's as simple as that. It really is. Then, you want your own products? Ghostwriting. You can pay someone, and this bonus shows you exactly how. It really goes into depth. It's a 50-part course, and it's going to explain how to get a good ghostwriter to write your ebooks for you, and then you put your name on them as the author, so you get the credit for them. And now, with your new super tool, you can create top-notch ebook covers, okay? Super simple, super fast. You wanted your own products, you've got them. The next one, cash in on the latest product creation techniques bonus. It's going to show you how to start using the secrets the experts don't want you to know. This is product creation simplified, okay? More ways of making products, you've got it. And now with your eCovers, you can really set the standard. You can set the bar high, okay? You really, really can. Bonuses, I've got you a load of bonuses there. Over 90 bonuses waiting for you to download as long as I get credited with the sale of that eCover Mockups pack, okay? Simple as clicking on any of the yellow buttons as you come down the bonus page, going on over to the sales page, locking it in at the lowest price. Now, before we go through the actual products, I want to mention the pricing here because there are two paths. Okay, there are like two funnels for the same product, but they give you different rights. And once you've gone down that funnel, it carries on down that funnel. It's like two separate funnels, okay? Really, really is. It explains it here when I find it. Right, you've got the commercial license, and with the commercial license, you can use it for yourself and you can use it for your clients, okay? So you can sort of sell the product to your clients, but you can't sell the product, you can't rename the product and things like that, okay? Use it with a commercial license. Then, if you want the other funnel, it's the PLR license. This gives you where you can sell it to your clients, the images, you know, the created eCovers. You can use them yourself, but you can also rebrand the product and resell it. So you can rename this product and resell it. You can repack it. You can change, you know, you can edit it so that you make different ebooks in the way of, instead of having 5 laid out, you can do it so there's 10 laid out or 3 laid out. It's up to you. You're allowed to change it all. You get the code, everything like that, and you can change that. You can also give it away as a bonus. The only thing you can't do is you can't just give it away willy-nilly for free, okay? It does tell you here, no, can't give it away for free. No, you can't add it to a free membership area. No, you can't offer it through auction sites. You can't transfer the resale rights. You can't pass them on. You can't master resale rights, even PLR, private label rights. They're yours, but you can't pass them on, okay? It says you can sell the product as many times you want. Keep all the money. It's yours now. You can sell it. You can rename the product. There's no need to call it eCover Mockups Pack. You can call it whatever you want, okay? Put your new logos on and everything. You can edit the sales page they give you, the graphics, the video, everything. It's all there. You can break up the product into smaller parts and use the assets in the templates and the apps that you sell. Edit the content, create new variations or versions, create brand new products out the source files if you want to, package it into a bigger product, offer it as a bonus to a paid product, added to a paid membership site, and you can have your own affiliate program to sell that on, okay? So it's all there. All super simple. It really, really is. As I say, it's super easy to use. Comes with a lot of templates. Now, on the front end, you get the template that you can see there. And remember, because you've got the sort of easy way of clicking things on and off, you could take the box out and just have the books. You could take this front book out. You could take, you know, you can put them in and out if you want. Okay. You could even put this box the other side, you know, and have it either side. You could have 2 boxes. You could turn all the books off in there quite easily. Click, 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 done. Click, copy, and it'll have 2 boxes instead of 1. It's super simple. As you can see, the prices differ between the commercial license and PLR. Commercial license, it's a giveaway, $19.99, just under $20, whereas $50 gets you a lot more. With that PLR license, you can sell this brilliant product as if it were your own, okay? People do judge a book by its cover. Yeah, I believe that. And if you see, these are what you can be making, books like this, ring binders, boxes, you know, other books, magazines, all there. Saying it's super easy to ease again. 50 different mock-ups to choose from. You've got all these here. Software boxes to choose from. Big software boxes. There's the book stand in there. You put your images on and your spine and you can have it looking like that. You've got more here. Open book stand in there. It just goes on and on. Book lying down. Look how realistic it looks. Crisp, clean, brand new. Just get the right image. Get it on there. you've got a winner. It's as simple as that. Spiral notebook. You just put the image on. You don't have to cut holes in it. You just put that flat image on, click, and it turns it into that sort of book there, that binder. And it puts those binder, all the coil there, all the way through it. Okay, so it looks like it's running through that ring binder. Looks absolutely fantastic. It's showing you here the notebooks. These are spiral notebooks lying down, magazine angle. Look at that for a magazine. Looks absolutely brilliant. It looks real. You could almost touch it. You could almost open the pages on it. That's there. These are the templates here. You just choose them. You can have one, or you can have it laid out like that for people and everything. And as it says, these mock-ups are going to benefit your business in many different ways, be it your own business or your client's business. Just imagine selling on these books. You get the image or they get the image, click, 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 done. And you've just made $50 probably. Simple, easy, next please sort of thing, okay? It's all here. It's telling you all about it. They're giving you more bone. Look at that for a shopping bag. And you can put your graphics on there and make it your shopping bag. Now, you could put your logo on there or anything. You know, you could make it look super. You can make it look super fantastic. You've got an e-com store, say, that shopping bag can have your logo on it, can make it look, you know, eye-catching and super professional. Stage platform for your eCover there. Open box mock-up, that's in it there. Trade show mock-up, like a big banner thing there, okay? And there's even, it just goes on and on and on. You've just got so much there, okay? And as it says, do you want to go down the developer license where it's yours? Once you do, you'll keep going down. Whatever the upsells you buy will come with that commercial developer license. If you go down the PLR license, all the upsells that follow are for PLR. You can't sort of swap forward and back. Once you're in that funnel, you're in that funnel. PLR, 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 or you're in there where it's developer upsell, okay? And there are 3 or 4 upsells or waiting for you. As it says, it goes through them here. If I was you, I'd read through them, make sure you fully understand the difference between commercial and PLR, okay? But realise that the PLR costs more. So as you go through that funnel, everything will cost that little bit more, okay? It does go dearer and dearer, okay? But for what you're getting, it's super cheap. It depends how you look at it, guys. You know, once you've got this will work day in, day out, 365 days a year for you. You want to use it today, you can use it as many times as you want. You download it, you get it on your computer, and it's yours, okay? It's going to work for quite a few years. What will stop it working? Maybe if you upgrade your operating system eventually, maybe. You know, can't promise, but if you keep your old operating system, it'll work for life. It's as simple as that. You've got it, it's yours. You can resell it, do what you want with it. PLR, commercial, make sure you've got the right license to do what you want with it, okay? So that is eCover Mockups Pack. Absolutely fantastic. If you want eCovers for ebooks, boxes, ring binders, magazines, even a shopping bag, then this is it. It really, really is. And I can see a lot of you guys are going to want this, and a lot of you guys are going to get in on it, okay? You want to sell products, you need this. You've got products of your own, you need this. You want a business selling eCovers to clients and things like that, you need this tool, okay? Don't spend hours trying to, you know, manipulate it in Photoshop. There's no need anymore. This is click, snap, simple, okay? Super easy, 3D product covers, and they do look fantastic. As you can see here, they do look super fantastic. Already all easy to go. So thanks for watching. Hope you fully understand the eCover Mockups Pack. Hope you understand what it can do for you. Hope you realise that if you're online wanting to make money, for me, this is a must. I've already got this sort of software, otherwise I will be purchasing it myself. I've spent around $500 on similar software, and in fact I bought some of this software previously from this vendor, okay, and now he's put even more in it, you know, absolutely brilliant. So thanks for watching. All that remains is for me to say, make sure you stay safe, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.